Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial to affiliate marketing, and let me just bring the basics to you. I know there are thousands of videos out there. Some gurus are talking about it, but you watch those videos and you have no idea what's going on. Let me break it down for you in a few minutes and watch this, and you're gonna have an idea, and I have the proof how it's done. It's not gonna make you very rich to start off with, but I had my first earning a couple of minutes ago, and I really would like to explain it to you in layman's terms how it actually works. Now, check this out. That can work with YouTube or with Facebook or anything. This is not the point. The point is here. I break it down to you in step by step by step. Now, I made this video about fixing a cigarette lighter for a Vauxhall, yeah? In this video, I put in a link and say, please click the link to get the fuse. Yeah, here's the link for the fuse I've used. Now, before it happens, I forgot you need to sign up for Amazon for the affiliates. You have to sign up. It's very, very straightforward. You have to fill out a couple of things, and then you will have a username, and then this is the link what you have to use. Yeah. Now, the person who has the same problem like me went there, watched the video, and then he said, okay, I would be happy to buy those fuses. Yeah. He went here. All of a sudden, those fuses are popping up, the ones I've used. Yeah? Now, the person didn't buy those fuses, but he had already opened my affiliate username, which is written here. In the link, it's embedded. I am the all-rounder. Yeah? So that becomes more or less my Amazon personal page, and the person then went using my page and bought different type of fuses, not the ones I offered. Sorry, I offered those ones, but he bought different ones. But it doesn't matter because he still used my page, and on the top of it he had my page open, and he went and bought this item, yeah, and he also bought this item. Now, this guy spent £37.79 on the items which he bought through my Amazon link. I have a commission for 3.89%, and I earned £2.40. And I haven't done absolutely anything. I did a video, I changed that fuse, I bought the fuse from Amazon, I put that link in, and people watch the videos. They want to buy those fuses or whatever they want. They click on it, and all of a sudden, if they click on your link in their browser, Amazon becomes your Amazon. So basically, whatever they buy on that very day through that link, you're gonna get a commission. Now, of course, if the guy would have closed that browser and opened up Amazon in a new browser or a half a minute later, then I wouldn't have get anything. But he might as well buy it there because he had the browser open, and it doesn't cost him more or less to buy it from me or not. So possibly he didn't even know that I'm gonna get paid for it. But I'm not stealing anything from him. I'm not stealing anything from Amazon. He doesn't lose anything. He doesn't win anything either. But if I don't lose and someone else can profit, then yes, of course. If someone would say, buy it through this link because I'm getting a lot of money and I'm not losing anything, yeah, I might as well do it. Some people won't, but I would, because if nobody harms me and somebody can profit out of me, why would I do that? If I get harmed or get extra charged, I wouldn't do it. But this is how it works. Now, all you need to do, sign up with this Amazon Associates. Yeah, it's very, very straightforward. Here's the link: Amazon program, Amazon-program.amazon.co.uk. give yourself a username and go to Amazon, pick up products, link those products, and start posting them on Facebook and everywhere. So if your mates or some other people click on it, let's say you're a chef, you download a couple of knives which you use and said, okay, those are the knives I'm using. If you want to cut like me, then use those knives. People are gonna click and you're gonna make money. Of course, I signed up a year ago and made £2.40, but now I have the proof and the belief that it works, and now it's time to kick bums, because now it's really working, and every single video I do on YouTube, it will have a link. If I advertise something about cooking, it will have the pots, the pans, the olive oil, the salt, the pepper, all with Amazon links. If someone buys a liter of olive oil from Amazon via my link, I'm gonna get paid for it. So it really does work, and that was a short video in layman's terms that it actually does work. So you can watch the videos from the gurus, but nobody ever explains it that honestly with all the proof. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Now, I have a link now in the description for my affiliate. So if you plan to buy something from Amazon today or tomorrow and you want to help me, please click on that link. You don't need to buy the item which I marked. Just click on the link, and then through that browser which you open via my link, buy something, and I get maybe a penny or 10 penny or something for it. Now, if you really enjoyed this video and it helped you, I also have a PayPal donation link on the bottom. Now you can click on that one. So if you can spare 5 pence or 10 cents or maybe even a pound or $1, because that video helped you a lot, then any donation is more than welcome. I've got a couple of kids, you know, if little money coming in, I don't really mind. Look, it's in the background, the little boy. Yeah, he needs to be patient while I'm doing these videos. So any help would be much appreciated. But even if you click on this Amazon link and buy something via this link, I will get paid. If you want to donate, even better. And if you're not, no problem whatsoever. Share it, like it, and comment. I'm here to help. The Master of Random. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.